I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins with the Morning Market Minute for Thursday, November 20th. Soybeans are up modestly in overnight business, with corn and wheat both mixed as they try to find some fresh direction. Soybeans could find some support from the ongoing talk about new export demand from China, even if we don't know if anything's surfaced yet so far today. USDA's weekly export sales announcements out a little bit later this morning. The delayed weekly export sales report the USDA put out a little bit earlier today did not contain a lot of information. The next one of those is due out next Tuesday. Both soybeans and corn continue to keep an eye on the very tail end of U.S. harvest activity, along with planting conditions in Argentina and Brazil. Overall, things are still taken as pretty favorable, but there are some recent flooding concerns in parts of central Argentina, and planting for both corn and soybeans is behind average in Argentina, and both of those countries could see a drier weather pattern once we get to December. Wheat continues to keep an eye on U.S. winter wheat development conditions, along with those early harvest weather in Argentina and Australia. At the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, live and feeder cattle could find another round of technical support, or they might see some pressure from yesterday's lower move at the direct markets, with live and dress sales both lower than the previous week, and box beef did close lower yesterday as well. And as for hogs, they might extend that oversold bounce, or they could see pressure from yesterday's lower close in the pork carcass cutout value. With the Morning Market Minute for Thursday, November 20th, I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins. Stay tuned for this afternoon's update.